Go live, go live. I am still waiting to make sure I'm live, and I am live. I am excited to be here, everyone. And I'm here to talk about one simple thing, one question I get over and over again, which is Shobit, who do you help? Who exactly do you work with? And what do you do? So here it is. Very simple. There's three kinds of people who I work with. Number one, or three problems that I solve. So number one is folks that are looking for their first or for their next product management job. Number two, it's folks that are looking to excel in their career. They're in a company that they like and they are just not excelling to the next level. And then third is people who are already product management leaders who want to now step up their game and go from individual contributors who are just beginning to do leadership to company builders, team builders. So let me walk you through what I do in all of these cases, because I get questions all the time about this. So first one is the job search. What I find that when people are going after new jobs, they take a very pray and spray approach. Where you are just going and finding 100 jobs on LinkedIn and applying and hoping and praying and just pretending that you're going to get something. Might work and probably will work if you keep going in it for a while. But if you want to maximize your chances of success of landing that dream product management career, you must consider the intentional job search program. It's on my website. Here, what me and my partner Sam, what we help you do is really dig deep and understand and build up your narrative, your story, and position yourself in a way such that you get the best product management roles that are possible for you. So that's number one. Helping you succeed in those product management roles, whether it's building up your resume, your LinkedIn, your story, helping you network well, helping train you to land those jobs by interviewing amazingly well, increasing your communication skills, building up your confidence. It's all part of that. Now, who I love to work with is folks who are already product managers looking for their next opportunities, or folks who are new to product management but have had a good career before. I find it, I can't really help folks who are right out of school and looking to get into product management, not a market that I serve well, because I need some past experiences that can help you position yourself as an amazing product manager or a product leader. So that was one. Second one, who I help. People who are in a job which they like, but they want faster career growth. They want more success. They want to feel like they're contributing everything and they're learning the right skill sets. They have a mentor and they're able to gain visibility by working with a mentor. So that's my product leader blueprint program, where you take advantage of both my coaching through group, through videos, through one-on-one, and then you get together with your peers and get their help in helping you excel in your career. That's product leader blueprint. Again, all on my website. And then the last one is one-on-one coaching. Typically, even more senior people who are completely dedicated, ready to invest in their career, want to take it to the next level. With them, I work one-on-one, very selective in that area, in getting them to that next leadership level, really excelling in their career. We've had some crazy success stories. Like, I am a couple of people I work with, they solved their 6-month goals, where they wanted to lead teams of PMs and get to the next level in weeks with changes that I help them drive. So a lot can happen really fast if you're truly committed to change. So that's where Product Leader Blueprint and my one-on-one coaching, mostly for product leaders, sometimes also for other executives, really comes in. So those are the people I work with. But look, there is one underlying layer that I absolutely demand, and I don't don't take people into any of the programs until they are that, which is commitment. You must have made a decision at this point that you're going to advance in your career, that you are going to not worry about the small things, but go for your big goals, and you're going to be coachable. So you got to have that, you got to be decisive, and you got to be coachable. And if you are not any one of these things, I would suggest don't reach out to me. Just, I will anyway screen you and tell you, sorry, I don't want to work with you. But if you have these qualities and then you want to excel in your career, by all means, I would love to talk with you. And by the way, if you're not going to be a fit, I'll either tell you before I do the call with you, or during the call, that I'm not the right person to help you. Go to this person, or go to this thing. Some things I don't do is I don't do certificates. I mean, I can provide you a certificate that you've done this, but the goal of working with me is not for you to get a certificate and say, oh, I'm serious about product management, or I can show the certificate somewhere. It is for you to gain the knowledge. It is for you to change your thinking. It is for you to gain the skill set so that you can move forward in your career. That's the goal. Those are the kind of people who I love to work with, who apply things, who don't just get certificates for the sake of certificates and are happy with knowledge. It's applied knowledge that they're after. So to sum up, who do I work with? People seeking a new product management role, folks who are in a product management career and now looking to excel and get to the next stage, and folks who are product leaders and they're trying to go from, yep, I'm a good individual contributor and coach, to I'm truly a builder of an amazing product team. Those are the three kinds of people I like to work with, and the three problems that I solve, or three jobs to be done that I help tackle. That's all I had. Get these questions so many times that I thought I'll just go live and answer it. You have a wonderful day. I'll talk to you very, very soon.